Welcome to Year 2, the big quiz with me, Miss Wilson.
And me, Miss Stearman.
You need a paper and pencil in front of you. We are going to do a quiz on everything we have learned in Year 2. Let's get started. Question number 1. What year was the Great Fire of London? It's quite a long time ago. Have a think, write down your answer.
If you need more time, pause the video. Question 2. How do we know about the Great Fire of London today?
Question number 3. What are the 4 capital cities of the United Kingdom?
Question 4. Name 3 properties of this ruler.
Question number 5. You've got a choice for this one. Who lived first, Gerald Durrell or Sir David Attenborough? Who lived first?
Question 6. What are the 3 months that make up winter? The season winter, 3 months.
What are the 3 basic needs that humans need to survive? The 3 things that we could not live without.
Question 8. How does our body react to exercise?
Number 9. Which food group is important to have healthy teeth?
And lastly, number 10. In a food chain, what is a producer?
Okay, check your answers. We are going to go through, starting at question 1. What year was the Great Fire of London? What year was it, Miss Stearman?
1666.
Well done!
Number 2. How do we know about the fire today?
Well, I can look at it on the internet. Is that the right answer?
You could.
Yeah.
There's something else.
Oh. Is it to do with Samuel Pepys?
It is.
What did he do?
He wrote a diary all about the Great Fire of London and what happened on each of those days. And remember, it lasted for 4 days.
That wouldn't happen now, though, would it?
No.
Number 3, I said, what are the 4 capital cities of the United Kingdom? Okay, let's go through. So I know London is the capital city of England.
We've got Edinburgh is the capital city of Scotland, which is at the top of the map of the UK.
Cardiff is the capital city of Wales. That's the bump on the side.
And Belfast is the capital city of Northern Ireland.
Big well done if you got all 4 of those.
Okay, number 4. The properties of this ruler. Now I noticed something, one thing in fact. I can see through it. So that is transparent. Transparent means you can see through it. Miss Wilson, can you name any other properties of this ruler?
Oh, can I feel it?
Of course.
Well, it's very hard. I don't think it would break.
No. Oh, it's quite flexible. Or bendy. That would be another property. I'm sure you've thought of lots.
Number 5, I said, who lived first, Gerald Durrell or Sir David Attenborough? And it was Gerald Durrell. Sir David Attenborough is still alive today.
He's the same age as the Queen. Question number 6. What are the 3 months that make up winter?
Oh, I think it starts near Christmas. So December, January, February.
Well done. You're right. Whoosh.
Number 7. The 3 basic things that humans need to survive. Now, I know there's a lot of things you think you couldn't live without, like pizza.
Or chocolate.
But the 3 things we need to survive are food, water and oxygen.
Where do we get the oxygen from?
It's in the air all around us. We breathe it in.
Question number 8. How does our body react when we exercise? So maybe you could have a little go and you could do some exercise, or you could do some star jumps, or you could jog on the spot. and see how your body reacts. So I can think of one way. Your body sweats to cool yourselves down. Can you think of another way?
I notice my heart starts pumping really, really fast when I exercise.
So your heart rate increases.
Yeah.
You might also get a little bit red in the cheeks because you're so hot.
I also always really need a drink of water after I've
So
exercised.
you get thirsty.
Mm.
Interesting. Maybe you thought of some more.
Number 9. Which food group is important for healthy teeth? It also helps our bones as well, and it is the dairy food group because we get calcium.
Okay, and lastly, question 10. In a food chain, what is a producer? A producer is an organism that is at the start of our food chain, and it makes its own food from the sun, and it's usually a plant. Can you think of one, Miss Wilson, that would be a producer?
Oh, seaweed?
Mm-hmm.
Because then it would be eaten by a fish, which would be a consumer.
Miss Wilson and I would love to see your answers, so send in a picture of your answers so we can see what score you got. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Oh. Question 2. How do we know about the Great Fire of London today?
Number 3, moving to geography. Question number 3. I'll do this by myself in a minute.
Okay.
Question. Your ruler. Why? Number 9, nearly there.
Number 9, nearly there.
What was it, Miss Dearman?
1666.
Well done! Give yourselves a tip.
Whoosh.
Oh.
Can you think of another way, Miss Wilson?
I forgot your name. That's okay, I'll just carry on. Oh, well, and it is the dairy food group because we get calcium.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Very. Okay, we would love to see your scores, so can you send in your pictures or even a video of your piece of paper?
You just want to know their answers. That's all we want.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Did it.
Oh.